door.
Former Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan will not spend time behind bars after her felony obstruction conviction. Today, a federal judge sentencing Dugan to time served plus a $5,000 fine.
Adam Reif is live outside the federal courthouse in downtown Milwaukee for us tonight. Adam.
No cameras allowed in federal courtrooms, and so we won't hear directly from Hannah Dugan, but she did address the court, telling the judge that she has been portrayed alternately as a scofflaw and as a hero, but that she is neither. She and her defense team and supporters told the judge about her character and what she has already been through, arguing further punishment is not warranted or necessary. Ultimately, the judge agreed.
The collateral consequences to her were great, and we appreciate that the judge took that into consideration.
In the end, it was the expected outcome. No prison time for Hannah Dugan, the latest step in a case that's gotten national attention for more than a year.
There probably is not a judge in the United States that does not know about this case.
Dugan addressed the court for the first time. She said that April day was not normal and went beyond the demands of misdemeanor trial court. Dugan said her acts were consistent with community concerns for the sanctity of the court, and she said she did not act with malicious intent or for personal gain.
Hannah is somebody who cares about the poor, the disadvantaged, and the vulnerable in this community.
Former state Supreme Court Justice Janine Geske has been friends with Dugan for 45 years. She talked of Dugan's many impacts on the community.
She talked about that's the one thing she wanted to do, was to go out into the community and return to her many volunteers.
Geske urged the judge to look at Dugan as a human being, someone with compassion and integrity as a public servant.
There's no question that she has been punished much more than if she'd been given a little bit of time in jail.
Dugan's defense team argued no further deterrence, punishment, or retribution is necessary. But the government argued for a serious sentence for a serious crime, saying good people make bad decisions. But federal judge Lynn Edelman decided prison is not necessary. He said the collateral consequences cannot be ignored. Dugan lost her job and her standing in the community. She has experienced threats and has had to move. Edelman said it's hard to see how prison time would add to that deterrence.
We agree with Judge Edelman's decision today. She's lost so much throughout this process.
Hannah Dugan did not react in the courtroom when that sentence was handed down. She did not speak to reporters afterwards, nor did the prosecutors for the U.S. government. Dugan's legal team is already prepping an appeal to her conviction. Back to you from downtown Milwaukee outside the federal courthouse.
Adam Reif, thank you.